Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix auto brightness not working on your Nothing Phone 4a Pro. So first, what you guys want to do is go over and enable and disable adaptive brightness in the settings again. So we're going into the settings. Now we need to scroll down until we see display. And on the display, I do have it disabled now, so we're gonna enable it. Now we wanna restart it, so we're gonna press it off and press it on. After that, we're gonna clean the ambient light sensor near the front camera. So I'm gonna be using the microfiber cloth for it. I'm gonna be using it like this, so I can just go over only for the camera. And soon our brightness should be either dropping or just staying at the same level. So here, we're gonna clean it, and now we can let go, and it is done. The next step is to restart the phone to refresh the sensors. So we're gonna press the power button, the volume up button at the same time, and tap on restart. Now the phone is restarting, and I'll see you guys in a second once the restart is done. So after the restart, what are we going to do is we're going to check for software updates. Let's open up the settings, and in the settings, let's scroll down until we see system. And in the system, we want to click on system updates. Now, as you guys can see, I do have the software update available. I just need to restart my phone, and that'll be it. As you guys can see, it is installing now on my device. It was already downloaded. But if it wasn't downloaded for you, you have a button on the bottom right corner right here where my finger is pointing, and that's basically how you guys can do that. Make sure to update your software. You don't want any old glitches on your device. That's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.